Create a floating glass sphere effect in Photoshop.
I've got a picture of a road, as you can see. I've just dragged on some guidelines just under where the centre is. I've just created a new layer, then I'm going to choose the elliptical marquee tool, and from the centre draw a circle. Make sure the fill is black, and then highlight your first layer, make a duplicate of that, and drag that to the top. And click Filter, Distort, Spherize, and make sure that's 100%. Then click OK. Then Control T, so you can transform it, and you want to make that the same size as your black circle you got. Just like that. Now with your top layer still selected, hold Command or Control and click your black circle there. Then click the layer mask tool and that'll get rid of the outside, just like that. Now same thing as before. Click your top layer and then Command or Control and click your black circle. And then from there go to Filter, Distort and Twirl, and I'll just choose 29 and click OK. And then add a new layer, and then with the soft brush with 0 hardness, I'm just going to paint some shadows. Make sure you go black as the forecolor and just paint some shadows on the bottom left. Press X on your keyboard, change it to white and create some highlights on the top right. Make sure your blend mode is normal, and I'm just going to drop down my opacity to about 55%, just like that. And I'm going to just double click on my sphere layer so I can get my layer style menus up. I'm going to add inner glow, and I put the settings on the screen. Once you've done that, click or clear. Then you want to make a new layer. Then on this new layer, make sure your brush is set to white. Draw a little highlight like that, and your blender mode wants to be overlay, and I've just reduced my opacity to about 48%. Once you've done that, make a new layer, and then with your brush, click X so your foreground color is black, and then just make one dot on your screen. And then press Command or Control T to get the free transform, and just stretch it just like I'm doing so it looks like a shadow. And then I'm just going to reduce the fill by about 50% just so I can see the layer underneath it come through. And then once you've done that, you should have an effect that looks like mine. If you like this video, give it a like, add a comment and follow for more. See you next time.